Did you all know how the logos of Nike, McDonald's, and Apple were created? Watch this video till the end to know the real story behind it. Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today on Fun Friday, we will tell you the story behind the logos of some famous brand, out of which the first one is Nike. Nike is an American multinational corporation which designs and manufactures footwear, apparel, accessories and services. Nike is currently one of the leading brands in India. Currently, if you ask anyone which shoes to buy, they will surely recommend you Nike. So the well-known swoosh was created in 1971 by Carolyn Davidson, a graphic design student. Phil Knight, the co-founder of Nike, asked Davidson to produce several logos, out of which he selected the swoosh. Swoosh was a symbol inspired by the shape of goddess Nike's wings. But Knight was not satisfied with the logo, but due to his low budget, he decided not to make any changes. Davidson was paid $35 for her work. There were many controversies and claims made by other companies, but Nike tackled those problems and the rest is history. Now we will move towards our second brand, which is McDonald's. In India, if you think of a burger, the first picture that comes to your mind is the McDonald's logo. So do you want to know the history behind the logo of McDonald's? McDonald's is world's largest chain of fast food restaurant. McDonald's is more famous for its logo than its burger. In 1952, McDonnell brothers asked architect Stanley Mestin to design their first outlet. A single yellow arch was an architectural element of McDonald's outlet. Later, Ray Kroc joined the company and made some major innovations, starting from architectural redesigns. So the logo of McDonald's was created by joining two golden arches which made an alphabet M. Later, the double arch logo changed its form several times as company started growing. Now next time when you visit a McDonald's outlet, you will remember this video after looking at the logo. Now we will talk about how the logo of Apple was created. Apple is an American multinational technology company that designs, develops and sells consumer electronics and computer software and online services. Nowadays, clicking your picture in a mirror by hiding your face with your iPhone has become a new trend. What matters is the Apple logo behind your phone. So now let's talk on how this logo was created. So the first logo of Apple was Isaac Newton sitting under a tree with an apple hanging right above his head. But this logo did not fit the aspiring IT startup. Later, Steve Jobs commissioned a skilled designer, Rob Janoff, to create a more striking logo for his company. Rob Janoff designed an apple with a bite taken out of it and made of colorful strips. This logo became a hot topic of discussion and many theories were made, but Steve Jobs repeatedly stated that apple was his favorite fruit and there was no other theory behind it. In 1998, the company started to prepare for the release of their first silver iMac. And it was obvious that a logo with colorful strips on silver background was a poor choice for the new product. This is how they switched to monochrome design that we all love. I hope you all love this video. So please like, comment and share and do subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.